I'm brewing a pot of coffee with bourbon. This is brand new and not sponsored. We don't need the manual. Done! Pumpkin chai coffee. How strong do you like your coffee? Let's try a cup of bourbon pumpkin chai. If this works, I am gonna be godsmacked. They said it couldn't be done! We're brewing bourbon pumpkin chai, baby! I've never been more scared in my life! If I had more bourbon, I could have made enough for a family of 6. This thing just keeps spurting out more. I'm impressed. We didn't get a lot, but it's enough, you know? It's time for a cup. Oh, God! That stings the nostrils! Jesus Christ! Smells like a river of alcohol! It's too hot to hold, so I'm pouring it in this bourbon pumpkin chai. Who would have thought? Not me! Dibosia! What the heck is that? What have I created? This is odd! The world's #1 bourbon whiskey and the world's strongest coffee. The flavor combination really goes together. Yeah, I don't know, man. It is immaculately strong coffee and it is immaculately bourbon. I don't know what's making me wince. Is it the hot bourbon? Or is it the super 9 tablespoons of coffee? 30 out of 10. I gotta put more things in coffee makers. Not one thing in this manual says you can't use bourbon. Wow.